Hey, this is Mrs. Parker. Today I'm going to show you how to use our library system called Destiny. First, if you'll go to Google Chrome, you're going to type in destiny.aisd.net. That's destiny.aisd.net and hit enter. A list of our schools will come up. We are the Ferguson Educational Center. This is our Destiny homepage. If you need to contact me, you can find me here at dparker2@aisd.net. I will answer any of your questions. On this page, you will see digital resources. These are resources you will use for research and for information. We have ebooks, encyclopedias, things like National Geographic. We have social, emotional learning help. And at the bottom, this will link you to things like Canvas help, the Arlington Public Library. It will link to Canvas, passwords for digital resources, because all of these above need usernames and passwords, and those are going to be right here. This page is very helpful when doing research. If you are looking for a book that is in our library, you're going to click Catalog. In this Find box, you can type any title or any subject of a book. If you wanted to type in soccer as a subject, all of the soccer books we have in the library, as well as ebooks, will come up. Let's take a look at this page. Right here, this is a nonfiction book about soccer. This book is checked out. If it has a 0 right here of 1, that means that book is, someone else has the book right now, and hopefully it will come back soon. The second book on the list is also checked out, so let's go to the third one. This book right here says 1 of 1 available. That book is going to be available to check out in our library. If I click on details, it's going to give me a little bit of detailed information about the book, what level it's on. You can click on the book jacket and you can even find more information. If you want to search for a book by the title of the book, just click on Catalog. If you were looking for The Hunger Games, you could type in The Hunger Games and hit enter. And we do have 2 available of 3. Now, at this time, I'm not checking out books because you're not at school, but I do have an ebook here, and you can open the ebook. It says it's in, and you can still read that book. We would open it here. We would use our login credentials and we could read the book. If you wanted to go back to the home page, just click Home. And that again is our information. You can check out a Sora book. These are all of our ebooks. A Sora book is one that I will show you in a different video, and that has a lot of great ebooks. That would be, now is a good opportunity to learn how to check out an ebook. Again, if you have questions, just email me at dparker2@aisd.net.